with PVA design, it's all based on these topics. So each of these is sort of a conversational track, a conversational trajectory. If I go into customer support, for instance, we can see our trigger phrases. So this is what's going to start the bot. If I go to my authoring canvas, this is where we can start constructing the flow of our question response, input response sort of flow. So it's all graphical and in a nice, easy to understand and easy to use and manage UI. So we start with our trigger phrases at the very top. We can edit those, and then this flows down. So you can see, hey, I can help with that. What are you looking for help with? Blogs and learning, check case status. There are some Power Automate components to this too, payments and invoices. So this is my bot. We don't have time, unfortunately, to get into all of this stuff today. But what's really cool is that we can take this bot, and if I flip over to the next tab here, you can see that I'm logged into something that was similar to Scott, in logging in for the Power App portal. And we can hard code. We can actually go into PVA. And if I go to manage and go to channels on the left-hand side here, these are the different channels that we can deploy our bot to. So we can do teams for internal customer support or HR or whatever. But I'm going to click on this custom website. I can take this within this iframe tag. I can take this bot ID, this bot URL, and copy that and go to my portal designer, and I can go and hard code this into a page if I want to. But what's really, really cool is if you're using omnichannel for customer support, we have this little widget. So regardless of which page I'm on, there's a little bot widget. So if I crack open the Let's Chat, it's going to load up for a second. But this is actually using some of the wrapping paper of omnichannel for customer service with customer support, the bot that I just showed you. So this is actually the bot that we just took a look at behind the scenes, now incorporated on a Power Apps portal using omnichannel for customer service chat widget technology. And if I click into blogs and learning, we're going to get that back and forth. But what's really, really cool here is if I crack open the omnichannel, and now this is the omnichannel app, right? So kind of show you, if I scoot this portal over, it's responsive, it'll snap to you. I have my session open here still yet. If I'm in omnichannel, I see that there's an active chat going on, and what's amazing is I can go and monitor that chat. So let me refresh all here quickly. If I click this open chat, I'm going to go to monitor, so I can actually see, as an agent in the organization, I can see how that conversation is flowing through, anticipating when I might need to jump in or when I want to maybe take the reins in that conversation. But if I go agent, to connect to the person, click yeah. So we have the ability to join the chat from omnichannel. Excuse me. We can code that into the bot itself, but what happened just now is that I, as an agent, entered the chat. So if I'm throwing in a public hi there, oop, that's not how you spell hi. Hi there. This is actually going back and forth. So we have the handoff and the real agent experience. We can download transcripts. We can include attachments. We can do, with Azure messaging services now, we can do real-time, call and video and, troubleshooting and customer support. So wanted to highlight that the bot technology, the automation that we have, especially with omnichannel in the mix and with customer service and the Power Platform tools, it's just really cool to be able to streamline this and make this accessible. I never would have imagined 7 years ago when I started this journey in dynamic CRM that I would be presenting on AI and bot technology and accessible portals. It's amazing.